How to hard reset Vivo S20 S20 Pro. Step 1. Turn off your Vivo S20 by holding the power button. Step 2. Press and hold the power and volume up buttons simultaneously. Step 3. When fast boot mode appears, navigate using the volume up button and confirm with the power key.